Tired of drowning in receipts? Spending hours reconciling expenses? You're not alone. But what if there was a simpler way? A way to automate the whole process and reclaim your time? That's where Expensify comes in. But who exactly can benefit from this powerful expense management tool? Let's dive in. Think beyond the typical office worker. Expensify isn't just for corporate giants. It's designed for anyone who spends money on behalf of their business, organization, or even themselves. Freelancers and independent contractors say goodbye to manual tracking. Expensify automatically captures receipts, calculates taxes, and generates professional invoices. Small businesses streamline your entire finance department. From employee reimbursements to vendor payments, Expensify simplifies every step. Remote teams, no matter where your team is located, Expensify keeps everyone connected. Track expenses, manage budgets, and collaborate seamlessly. Travelers, conquer the chaos of travel. Easily capture expenses, track mileage, and get reimbursed quickly. Students, keep track of educational expenses, simplify reimbursement requests, and learn valuable financial management skills. Expensify isn't just about saving time, it's about gaining control. Gain visibility into your spending, track every penny, and identify areas for potential savings. Improve accuracy, eliminate human error with automated expense reports. Boost productivity, spend less time on admin and more time on what matters most. Enhance compliance, ensure all expenses adhere to company policies. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what real users have to say about how Expensify has transformed their financial lives. User 1, Expensify has saved me hours every week. I can finally focus on growing my business instead of drowning in receipts. User 2, my team loves it. Reimbursements are processed so much faster now, and there's no more paperwork. User 3, Expensify has given me peace of mind. I know my expenses are always accurate and up to date. So, whether you're a solopreneur, a small business owner, or part of a large enterprise, Expensify can help. It's time to say goodbye to the hassle of expense management and hello to a more efficient, streamlined financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.